Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Google Messages RCS chat features are not working, like typing indicators, read receipts, or chat bubbles, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure your phone has a strong internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that your SIM card is active. RCS requires a stable network to activate and stay connected. Next, open Google Messages. Tap your profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and go to Messages Settings. Then go to RCS Chats or Chat Features. And make sure the toggle is on. If it says setting up or connecting, wait a few minutes. It can take time to verify your number. And if it's still not working, clear the app cache. For that, you need to go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Google Messages. Scroll down and go to Storage and tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. Then reopen Google Messages and re-enable chat features. Now head to the Play Store and search for Carrier Services and Messages, and make sure both are updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause RCS features to stop working. And if none of these work, try toggling airplane mode on and off or restarting your phone. Once RCS connects, you will see connected under chat features. And that's it. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more Android fix tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.